in the car. Okay babies, let's go get my PRP treatment done from Designer Bodies. As you guys can see, I've gotten some little bit of blemishes on my face and I want to like try it out. It's basically soothes your skin. The dark circles are on me. It's not anyone's fault, but yeah, there's a lot of dust. It removes the dust. It basically makes your skin nice, soft, like baby-like. So I want to try it. I've worn my gloss on my lips because yeah, I was looking too hideous, and I've put my glasses on so that it is on the way. No one noticed my face. The Road moisturizer is on. I look so hideous. I'm walking with my head down as if these specs glasses will hide my face. Or a cap. बस mask पहनना मुझे बाकी था. मैं वो पहन लेती, but I don't fucking own a mask. Now I'm not okay because like all my exes live here, and somehow when I don't wear makeup, I happen to run into them. तो क्या होगा ना, वो pathetic वाला भी जो है वो यहाँ से 10 मिनट दूर ही रहता है. तो क्या होगा जिस दिन मैं मेकअप नहीं पहनूंगी उस दिन कहीं ना कहीं से या तो वो गुजर रहा होगा और फिर उसने मुझे देख लेना है. I look like an egg, literal egg. So we are cleansing my face right now. Should I close my eyes?
Yes.
Okay. इसके बाद pores थोड़े बंद हो जाते हैं ना?
नहीं, फेस क्लीन होता है. अपने जो मेकअप डस्ट सब
हाँ,
होता है ना, क्लेंस हो जाता है.
Nothing guys, just looking like a hideous little egg lying down here. The people here are so nice. The doctors, they're like, no, you don't look so bad. And I'm like, who are you lying to? Now they're gonna draw my blood.
Baby needle for you. we use this for kids.
That's my blood?
Yeah.
I have applied the numbing cream. ये numbing cream है ना?
हाँ.
Yeah, this is the numbing cream. This is the amount of shit you need to do when you are born ugly. So you need to do to look like a mid person. It is what it is, but it's okay. We slay anyway. Yeah, I can like feel my face going numb. This is my first time getting a facial done, and I was like, if I'm getting a facial done for the first time, I might as well go for the super facial because like, go big or go fucking home. Cringe. Oh my god. I think like everyone must hate me, but they just like tolerate me. Not allowed to wear makeup. I'm not allowed to go out for 2 days, which is like quarantine for me because as you all know, I'm like a social bird who needs to go out every day, anywhere, even if it's just walking my dog. I need to step out of my house.
We're using a very fresh needle for you, and post procedure we'll be discarding this needle. So we'll not even keep it for you for the other time. So we'll discard it completely. So this is the growth factor what we have derived from the blood.
Okay.
This is rich in plasma.
My eyes are shut, but look at me, I'm vlogging. Okay, that is done. So now they have said that my skin will get dry within like next 48 hours. As you guys can tell, the skin is supposed to dry up, but then post dryness, the skin will look very nice and amazing. I told them to make me like Kim Kardashian level red, and they said you're not supposed to do that on the Indian skin tone. I was like, that was the point of coming. I fucking realized that the t-shirt I'm wearing is fucking see-through. Kill me right now, please. Currently, I'm on my way to get my fucking shoes exchanged because I think they're a little big to me. And my sister has made fun of my outfit, but she doesn't realize how fucking Hailey Bieber this outfit is. Okay, Hailey Bieber wears sweatpants and ballet flats, so I'm gonna wear it. Okay. She told me that she was coming at 1 or abhi aayi hai madam. ठीक है. 4:48, and thanks to her I woke up early today. Okay, I missed my gym, which is fun. Okay, I only pay 48. Diet Coke is over. There was no tofu at home. So yeah, I had not had lunch. I had protein smoothie for lunch. This is just very fun. I ditched my sister and I'm at this mall alone. It's such a boring mall. I hate it so much. I miss Palladium. I got my food and I ditched the fuck out of there. Because bro, that mall is so boring. Fuck all, now I'm trying to find my car. Because I'm a smarty. Who doesn't know where the car is parked? Slay. और ऐसे मेरे को इतना ugly feel हो रहा है आज. Today, yeah, this is my car. Oh my god, my sister forgot to fucking lock the car. I'm gonna kill her. Yeah, I am going to kill her. This is video proof that the car was unlocked. How stupid can she be? Look what I added in the car so that I can vlog. Do I like being a vlogger girl? I love being a vlogger girl. It's like, am I a Nicki fan? Test my sub. we gotta snap it. I was like just telling my sister that this time, we will see the places actually like properly. We won't be so phone addicted people. But the thing is, it cannot happen. I need to lock the doors because I don't feel safe. There are like boys coming, and yeah, I'm sitting alone in a fucking party. So let's try it. मेरा प्लान था हल्दीराम खाने का, बट हल्दीराम इस मॉल में अभी नहीं है. हल्दीराम कैसे नहीं है? हल्दीराम should be a necessity in like every mall. If you're a guy and you like me, please leave this video. What I don't like about it is that he has sick. People are going to think I'm literally retarded that I'm sitting in the car and talking to the camera. But wearing the spexy sunglasses and being blind and wearing a cap helps me get this camouflage that no one is looking at me, so it's fun. I was in the mall on the food court and gratefully I love you guys. This girl Tanvi came to click a picture with me. She was so cute. She was 13. I was excited to meet her. Talking is my hobby. I just cannot be one of those cute model girls, who do what they do, who are just cute. There's no fucking paneer in it. And they stopped serving tofu, which sucks because nowadays I've realized that paneer makes me bloated, which is also going to suck because in London, I think tofu will be more expensive than paneer, so I will eat paneer because I'm a cheap bitch. And I have literally gone broke because of my London trip. But I'm only going to be 19 once because one day आपकी भी शादी होनी है, शादी हो जाएंगे, बच्चे हो जाएंगे. और अगर तुमको मेरे जैसे रहना है बिना वो सब करे तो वो कर सकते हो, बट मोस्टली लोग कर ही रहते हैं शादी और बच्चे. Since I've been a baby, all I've thought about is how I don't want kids. And like I see parents in general, they sacrifice so much. Like आपके खुद की लाइफ आप literally पॉज पे डाल देते हो एक बच्चे के लिए, है ना? Which is good. Like if you want to do that, 100% go for it. But not me. The world is anyway going to fucking end. Like I might as well just live alone, die alone. And kids, this is why I'm single. ये करोगे तो आपको बाजू वाले ड्राइवर भैया हंसेंगे देखकर. Looking for a rich man in finance 6'5" नहीं बोलेगा. Zara. Deciding whether I should get my shoe exchanged. Zara new collection is so good. I am literally I want to buy everything, but I cannot. This is Radhika. She's come here. It took her 1 hour to come here. Bro, this mall is so crowded.
Bro, इतने सारे लोग. People are free on Wednesdays. Oh my god.
It's literally a weekday.
And I thought I was.
हम लोग jobless हैं, but we are
Yeah,
different.
Exactly.
You cannot count us, okay? We know that we are
And it's like a
unemployed.
one-time thing.
But if so many people are unemployed, then this is like a bigger conversation that we have. हाँ, तुम अपना result बता रही थी क्या आया है? Yeah, out of 4. Out of 3.92 out of 4. मैंने वही बोला, मैं अभी उसको बोल रही थी. You must have got a 90%. So I was like, yeah. She was like, no, I got 95, you bitch. My road case is here, straight from Canada to Chandigarh to Bombay. This box he has sent it in. For my favorite Hailey Bieber sunglasses, because we are unboxing our road cases finally. Yeah, this is so nice. Like it's a little chunky from here, but I think that is because like to hold a grip onto it. I have 2 peptide treatments of my own, but I'm using the one I got for my sister because I think it will just like wipe with the color. But yeah, thank you Sahaj for sending it to me. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna feel so sexy with this in London, but you know, जब मैं लंदन में रहूंगी मैं इसको बहुत केयरफुली रखने वाली हूँ और मैं सिर्फ ये फोटोज के लिए पहनूंगी और जब मैं कोई अच्छी बहुत दूसरी जगह जा रही हूँ नहीं तो मैं इसको रखने वाली हूँ बंद करके, बिकॉज लंदन में मैं इतने 50 वीडियोस देख रही हूँ जहाँ पे फोन चोरी होते हैं एंड आई कैन नॉट अफोर्ड माई फोन गेटिंग robbed and my road cases getting robbed and my peptide treatment getting robbed. Like that is just too much. My money, my bank account will be crushed and my heart and soul will be crushed on another level. Hailey Bieber can send a literal crappy thing and I will buy it. Not that this is like iconic. This is like sexy. This is sexy and I know it. मुझे कुछ नहीं आता life में करने, which is just what it is. Okay, I would be literally handicapped without my sister. And you know, today I was like, you know, I want to buy this like really amazing Prada bag. And my sister's like, yeah, we have a credit card. But the thing is, I fear credit cards so much. Y'all have no idea. If y'all have watched Tararampam or Confessions of Shopaholic, you know why EMI's credit card scares the fuck out of you. You know, I started using credit card. Confessions of a Shopaholic 2.0 is happening with me. I will be just dying in debt, and then I'll have to sell all my clothes, and selling all my clothes will mean that I'll have to sell my soul, and that means I might as well just like kill myself, because this is not a rom-com, and I'm not going to get a rich guy in the end of the story. My plan was to, you know, color my hair, but now I'm just realizing that, yeah, I don't have the money to color my hair. I'm broke. I just went and they told me that my hair grew up like by 2 inches, and yeah, they were like, yeah, last time we got it done for like 10, this time you'll have to pay 15. I do so much and y'all are making me pay 15k. I woke up. I have to go to London in 2 days, and yeah, the nails are gone. I'm in a to-do list बनाई. I'm sleeping on the couch. Why? Because I keep on watching TV all night. What do I watch? The same movies I've watched a million times. Start packing and nails. That's the agenda for the day. Wow. I just like slammed some makeup on. Yeah, I look a little decent human being. When I woke up, I look ugly and I can't do anything about it. I still do look a little ugly, but that's just like, those are just genetics. I can't do anything about it. Anyway, I have to get my nails fixed. मेरी बहन ने ना last minute itinerary change कर दी, which is just amazing. आज का मेरा गोल है कि आज मैं ना सारा preparation कर लूं कि मैं कल बस मुझे पैक करना है, और वो भी मुझे खुद पैक करना है. मेरा कल Amazon से एक पार्सल आने वाला है. रात में यहाँ पे AC बंद है, तो मैं हॉल में ही जाके जाने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी हो रही है. मैं लिटरली जी नहीं सकती इस रूम में. और मैंने सोचा कि मैं AC ठीक करा लूँ, बट आई वाज लाइक अभी 10,000 साढ़े से AC में डालने में कोई पॉइंट नहीं है, बिकॉज मैं अभी जा ही रही हूँ. मैं लंदन से आकर डालूंगी. ठीक है, मुझे लंदन में पता है, मुझे सोच के लाइक मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ जाने में, बट पता है वहाँ पे इतनी चोरी चकारी होती है. लाइक इतना लोग बोलते हैं हाँ लंदन फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कंट्री ओके, ऐसी चोरियां होती हैं मतलब कि उनके लिटरली बेचारे फोन चोरी हो रहे हैं. हाउ आई एम लाइक कैसी फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कंट्री एंड आई एम लिटरली गोइंग देयर. Don't mind that. I literally love London, okay? I've never been there, but I love it. I don't have the time to read Korean Hindi because I was like, have you put on lunch? Full on Radha Travel, honeycomb just time here. Anyway, outfit of the day. Skims, White Fox, Threadbaker, Diesel. That's good. This was ages ago. I bought this like 3 years ago. When I was not really into the brands. But then you make money and then you get into the brands. I like how I'm like having a whole lot of conversation. And I was supposed to reach at my appointment at 2:15. It's 2:25. Late for my appointment. He's never gonna accept me back again, but I was filming this TikTok. It's like, you love me, this nail transition that I wanted to make, and it literally took me 20 minutes. Now I'm literally sweating. But yeah, I think if it turns out good, it must be worth it. You love me. You love me. Blah, 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 blah. You guys are getting my voice because I don't want to get copyrighted, but look at my nails. I thought I would be having a peaceful solo lunch, but I'm fucking sitting down my building and they're like, it's literally on the main road. So yeah, but yeah, let's taste the pesto sandwich. It looks like crap. Why the fuck does everyone have a boyfriend? I'm so alone. I hate it. I hate this. It's bad. Like, usually when I'm the person who will like, you know, go fight, be like, oh, change my food, it's not good. But today I'm just too tired, so I'll just like eat this, whatever. I literally live upstairs. I would easily go eat my proper tofu at home. But no, मैं इतनी आलसी हूँ कि मुझे ब्रेड सेकने में भी आलस आता है. और मैं इतनी शिटी ब्लॉगर हूँ कि मैं इतने लाउड में बिना कुछ माइक बिना इसके ब्लॉग करी. And my nails are done. Minoji did such an amazing job. I'm sitting here alone. Everyone must be like, wow, she's lonely. Which is true. I am. You know, I cannot be accepted by the old money people because of the way I talk, everything. I'm just too loud. And I hate that old money style, honestly. Let me have fun with my infinity. People look at me there, and all my comments are like, new money. And I'm like, money is money. Because after I got my nails done, you know, this is gonna scream tourist. And you know, I want to scream tourist. Do I want to move to London? Yes. Can I logically? I combine practically and logically. Logistically. If that's a word, then I'm a fucking genius who knows her education. After I got my nails, I decided I wanted a tote bag. So I went to Lokhandwala and all I could find was like fucking like fake. And you know, I went to every store. I'm like, I don't want anything with a logo. I don't want a fake bag. He's like, oh, we have YSL. I'm like, yeah, I'm sure you have YSL for 4K, but I do not want that YSL. After hoarding through, like, look at this bag I got. A no label brand, nothing, which is what I wanted. Can you see? 2 tiny. You guys must be like, really? This looks like a little like mom bag. But that's what I want. I want to be a mom. Like, no, I don't want to be a mom. God, no. But like, I wanted like the mom tote bags which just like fit a lot, because like in London, like I need my phones to be safe. I have two, and I'm just gonna keep them in the bag. And unless until I have my sister with me, I'm keeping them in the bag. So I've decided to, but like Jane Burkeify the bag a little. This, you might think it's a normal bag, but this pattern that I found in it, I thought that it gave Bottega energy. If this was actually from Bottega, you guys would be like, oh wow, so cute, we love it. But it's not, because I cannot afford a fucking Bottega bag. This is my makeup bag right here. Shout out Kylie Skin. So when you buy like 5 to like few amount of things from Kylie, they give you this bag. Can I keep my primer in this? That's what I'm confused about, because like, how much is the primer? I don't want them to throw this out being like, that. I fucking drink lipsticks. I don't like eat it, I drink it. I hope I don't drop anything, because makeup is too expensive and I don't have the money to repurchase it. Are you guys ready to see the amount blushes I own? Like, this is the amount of blushes that I've filled, okay? All of these bad boys are there. They're not gone. I cannot live without this blush. I don't care what anyone says. I think it's one of the most beautiful blushes. I'm gonna carry the orange one. I never use it, so this way I might use it. I bought it, but I never used it. Ye carry karugi, ye carry karugi. I think I'll carry both. I filled the entire makeup bag and I forgot to take the brushes. Boom, voila, the makeup bag is packed. I swear to God, I packed it in a better way, but it's all now messy. So, I ordered these like suction case thingies off of Amazon. I ordered 2 of them, okay? I got 2 more. So I'm keeping them and not sending them back, okay? I'm keeping the free stuff I'm getting. People have stolen my road kit, okay? This is just my karma. राधिका की कार इतनी क्लीन रहती है कि तो उसमें बैठो रह सकता है, वाह, ये होती सफाई। और मेरा हर चीज उसका अपोजिट रहता है। राधिका गर्ल वॉशिंग कर रही है, 2 इंटर्नशिप कर रही है। yes. 2 नॉट 1। इंटर्नशिप्स लाइक अनपेड होती क्यों है एक्चुअली?
किसी से कंपनी होती है, वो उनका प्रॉफिट ही उतना नहीं होता है कि वो अफोर्ड कर सके, और इसलिए फिर बस
राधिका को जरूरत नहीं है पेड हो अनपेड हो। वो इटली जा रही है अभी घूमने। अभी वो इटली जा रही है, फिर वो जाने वाली है USA, party in the USA, और फिर घूमने नहीं जा रही है, वो वहाँ मूव होने वाली है by the way. So yeah, she doesn't need the paid internship.
I'm not in the right state of mind.
You're not in the right state of mind, and yeah, like just period.
एक तो मैं पीरियड पे हूँ, इसलिए
Period पे? Oh my god. But yeah, now time to pack. Okay. I need to show you guys this. My sister's boyfriend's parents got me this. I don't know the basics of packing. I'll cry. Okay. Like, should I pack the big bag first or should I pack the small bag? क्या करती हूँ ना, पहले सारी jackets रख देती हूँ. I literally salute to the girls who pack their shit, because this ain't easy. And obviously when I said I'll pack jackets, I had to pack everything other than jackets. The Pinterest girls are superheroes. They are not real human beings. I'm so not fucking organized or prepped for this trip. Mine is official. It's an Australian brand. It's the most this pink one, we're just gonna add all my things that we can't afford losing. I did it my first time. I have packed mostly. This is my first time I have packed without my sister. Okay. I need my sister for everything. So the fact that I have done this alone is insane to me. You see how cutely I've customized my bag. Look at it. Look at the charms. Look at all the charms. They're so cute. They're so cute. Yeah. They're looking perfect. The road case. Final things are being added in this. I like how fucking disorganized I am. And nothing is done. Literally, I'm leaving in a few hours and I'm so chill. Like, I'm like zen. Peace out. Peace out. This just sucks. You know, I might look like calm, but inside I'm like freaking out. But I just don't do any actions to not like freak out. You get what I mean? Oh, Didi. Today is why I was like, I'm a cool mom, and I just told my sister that, you know, I love neutral colors, and I'm just like, Sarah Ali Khan. The neutrals queen. Like my headphones are also blue. Neutrals. They're pink. The socks are pink. Who gets pink socks? Done. I got my things from Haldiram. This place is so crowded. God, am I getting awkward. I got the food that I'm going to eat in London. Because the thing is, I cannot go without rajma chawal or chola or whatever. But like so many people here. I'm not liking it. I thought like it's so awkward because I look homeless mainly. But I look cool. The thing is, people here won't get the fact that this is like cool. Okay, people here are going to be like, oh, she pulled up in a fucking night suit. to a mall. But now we're gonna go see if I can get my false lashes. I went to MAC, I went to Nykaa, I went to Tira. They all had the lashes, but no one had a glue. Oh my god, मेरी लंदन थोड़ी शॉपिंग तो होती है, थोड़ी ही नहीं. शॉपिंग और मैं कभी थोड़ी नहीं हो सकते. हल्दीराम ही जाके मैं इतना चीजें उठा के ले आई. So shopping and me are never thoda. We are always go big or go home. Like today at Nykaa, it took everything in me to not buy some random shit of makeup that I didn't need and walk out of that store in one piece. I have come here with a literal Haldiram packet. It's so not it. I think that I fucking ate all that Haldiram and came to the gym. I'm done with my workout. I'm sweaty. I'm disgusting. Yeah, I have died doing this. Literally, have died. And came back live. My AirPods are steady. See you, gym. Gym तो मैं आऊँगी 1 महीने बाद.